Guys, yes. Another day, another dollar. Amazon is amazing. Say it again. Amazon is amazing, bro. Yeah. And right now, we see, I just finished up and trying to get another block right now. So we're about to open the app. Hey man, just pull it up. Gotta make sure I'm parked up. Actually, I'll probably move from right here. Let's move up a little bit though. Alright, being in the intersection. But yeah, as I was saying though, why are we hunting for? Why are we out here hunting? Hunting for these blocks. We are also talking about best times and stuff like that to go on the road. Alright. So go to offers right now. Alright, we're going to offers right now. And we're going to check out what's going on. Okay. So let's see if we shuffle that. Oh, nope, someone else got that. I was trying to get a block for 5 until 8:30, but it's finished. Someone else got it. So this is how it goes right here. Refresh. So they got a 3-hour block right here for 68.50. You know, let me see. Well, let's run it up today. Let's see if we're lucky enough to get some close trips, bro. And the good thing is when you go out early, you could achieve a lot for the day. Once you got enough gas, bro, and you're willing to do it, you could do it. Out here, get it. Yo, shouts out to the people who out here trying to make this money, man. Sure. Amazon be having us busy since lately, right? It's a whole lot of work, bro. It's a whole lot of work. I can't even lie. I remember there was times you'd look on it wouldn't be this much work, bro. But for some reason though, right now, the thing going up though. I can't lie. I rate that, I respect that. Right now, I ain't gotta worry too much. I could just find something that suit me. That's it, basically. And it's 24-hour action, you know what I mean? 24 hours action, man. Yeah. Day in the life as an Amazon worker, driver, yeah, all that and some more. All that and some more, is it? Yeah, so I think right now I could take this block right here. So let's see, run it up. Amazing. Yeah, so this is just a day in the life on the road. Try to go get some lunch right now. Find me something to eat right now. So by the time I got to go work, I'm good. I'm not hungry, ready for the road. Be excited and stuff like that. Alright, yeah. Kinda crazy in a way still, if you know, sir. You could be making so much money, right? Kinda crazy, bro. You could be making money, bro. And a lot of people still don't want to use the opportunity and use it up the right way, you know what I mean? A lot of people still are complaining, and I don't think sitting and complaining gonna solve any of your broke issues. You understand? Like, the only way you could aid that, get up and find something to do. You feel me? Alright, look at this. For instance, look, you got the scooter over there, so I do some delivery. There's many ways to do this. It's just you have to make it work for you. You understand? Yeah. Go to my favorite Caribbean restaurant right now. Get some fried chicken with some oxtail gravy and some rice and peas, and yeah. Turn up the Amazon work today, you with the it. And today I have energy, you hear? Wait till the food is soaking. Yeah, out there nice. People smash up the like and subscribe. MVision, tell them. MVision have them, you know? And wait. Tell them say MVision have them lock. Life on the road with MVision. I do the thing, you see me? Amazon, 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 Amazon. Them say Amazon got the thing locked. If you not work for Amazon, you not make no stocks. Yo, that better, but big up to the people them on them work, you know, all of the hard working people them know say. Them have to make the money stack. Have to make the money stack. What we say? One done. Count my money up, count my money up. Me love to check it up, so when you owe me pay it up. Me want money, them a look friend, me want money, don't it? I make you think me get your honey, cause she want money, she love money, don't it? Tell them go and talk. That's why you want subscribe, cause you love money. Every girl a shout it, money. Yeah, me the man. Yeah, me the man. No, say soup pot must line up at the restaurant in a man. People big up on themselves. I don't know my thing set. I don't know how for me thing set. I want to know. Slap up the subscribe button. You see me? And send that video about 2,000 likes and them something, man. I don't know if you treat the channel better than that. We out here represent for all of the earners, them, you know, the people who want to earn some money. We're not talking about some people who just don't watch people. Yeah, no, that don't make it. That your pick. That your pick. And never night. Get your money up. See there? See the logo there? Mix it to the Adidas. Da. Yeah, man, we out here still. I see how it. Don't even talk me, dog. What that under me nose? I'm out.